Nice, beautiful, very colorful green sunfish here.
It's really good. Like, look at that.
Out here on the creek, enjoying life.
Look
Look at that fish.
Beautiful scales.
Yeah, beautiful colors. And fins. Gonna release it. Free and in the wild. Little smallmouth bass here. My kid says it's huge. Says it's a largemouth bass or something, but it's not. You know, it's a smallie. Nice black spots and stuff on it.
Expecto Patronum. What? I was about to jump in the water.
There's Brentley. You know, fish is eating him. Look, it's bigger than you, Brentley.
Yep.
Dang.
Yeah, he's 3 inches tall.
Let this fish go here.
Hi, he's 3 inches tall. Just faking it. 3 inches tall.
Yep, free and in the wild.
It's
beautiful out here. Here is another really nice green sunfish. These fish are fighting good on my ultralight setup. Look at the colors though, y'all. I mean, wow. God is amazing. Anyways, I'm going to toss them back in the water here. Yep, so they take off like a rocket. Like a rocket. Thanks for watching. Another little scarly. You know, they fight good on this light tackle. Excuse me looking like a mess. I did just get out of the creek. But thanks for watching. Hi y'all. Another smallmouth. Pretty fun. Thanks for watching. Another nice little smallie. Man, they just keep coming. So much fun. Appreciate y'all watching. Another pretty fish here. Not quite as colorful as the green sunnies, but feisty. Very. Free and in the wild. Fish after fish after fish. Can anybody tell me what this black is on the bottom, like what it actually is? Even got an encore. Well, the kids have gotten hungry, and both of them have said, "Dad, we're ready to go get some food." So I have to quit fishing. Had lots of fun. Appreciate y'all following along and watching me. Tell your friends. Y'all have a great evening, morning, night, day, whatever it is while you're watching this. Y'all almost got to see me fall in the water. Thanks for watching.